Hey guys, so today we're gonna unbox this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo that I bought in 2025. This looks like a lot to take in, especially if it's your first time. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, this is one of the most user-friendly cameras I've ever tried. I got this from Henry's Cameras for 46,200 pesos, and I know it's quite pricey, but trust me, it's one of the best starter cameras you can find, especially if you're trying to start a career out of content creation. Take it from me, who invested in a DSLR camera which other vloggers said was good for vlogging, for content creation, and all of that stuff, only to find out that it was actually not. It was too bulky, too heavy. Basically, it wasn't the camera for me. So right now, I'm just unboxing the contents of this creator combo, but let me tell you guys a little bit more on why I chose this camera, especially buying it in 2025, knowing that it came out in 2023. There are so many cameras out there, but I still chose to buy this one simply because I love the quality and I also love how I can access the files anytime, anywhere with the app. This is super useful for me because I often travel and I often do not bring a laptop with me, so I don't get to edit on a laptop or a PC because how am I supposed to bring a PC all around the world? So the DJI Mimo app is really useful for me, especially if I want to take some photos or videos and post them immediately after. So you may be wondering, why would you buy the creator combo when you can save 10,000 pesos if you buy the camera alone? Well, the answer to that is, the mic included in this creator combo costs already 5 to 6,000 pesos. It also includes the tripod and other accessories which the standalone camera does not. So if you ask me, I think the creator combo is more sulit, especially when it came from a DSLR vlogging camera which did not allow any external mics. And as a content creator using an iPhone to film, it really is a struggle to find a good mic. So I just wanted to make sure that the next mic I bought would not be another trial and error but a quality mic, to which this did not disappoint. But honestly, if you really want to save the 10,000 pesos, go ahead, but my tip for you is to invest in CapCut Pro. Ever since I subscribed to CapCut Pro, I never used this mic ever again. Because if you didn't know, CapCut Pro is an editing software which you can access on your phone or your PC, and it has this feature where you can reduce the noise and enhance your voice, which is super helpful in content creating. My camera also came with an SD card because Henry's Cameras had an ongoing promo at the time I bought this, but I'm not sure if they still have it now. So right now we're gonna set up our camera and we're gonna try out the smart gimbal mode feature. And as you can see, it's so amazing. It provides a smooth optical flow, which is honestly really important in content creating because you don't want to see shaky clips. Now don't you? So right now what you're hearing is the audio from my iPhone.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Now let me show you the difference of the Osmo mic.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
After hearing the comparison, which sounds better for you? Let me know in the comments. I'm honestly not that good at explaining the technical parts of the camera, so let me just show you what it says on the website. Overall, I really think this camera is a great buy. I've been using it for almost 6 months now and there's no problems with it. It also fits in most of my purses. I don't need to bring a backpack just to be able to bring this camera, unlike my other vlogging camera. Let me know if you want a more in-depth video of the features of this camera and I'll try my very best to do so. I've honestly read some reviews online saying they encountered some problems with this camera, but I honestly haven't encountered one for the past 6 months of me regularly using this camera. But in case I do encounter some problems with it, I'll be sure to update you guys on my 1 year update of using this camera, which is 6 months from now, so watch out for that. But yeah, I also really love how it comes with this bag, which helps me to organize this perfectly. If you're still not convinced to buy this camera, here are a few sample shots to convince you even more. By the way, I'll leave a link down below in case you want to save more money by buying it online. You can use the platform vouchers or your SPay later to make it less hurtful for your wallet. Since you also reached till this part of the video, I have a little treat for you guys. If you guys travel a lot, make sure to use Clue to make everything so much easier. You can also use my code heyitsnaomsh for 5% off any booking. This is valid worldwide and you can use it 3 times per account. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!